Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the eyelet mesh stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 5. I have already made 30 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 7th chain from your hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we're going to get into the sequence for this row. Make 5 chains. Then make 1 double crochet into the same chain where you made this first one. So in this chain so far is 1 double crochet, 5 chains, and 1 double crochet. Now you're going to skip 4 chains. Into this next one, you're going to make that same thing. Double crochet, chain 5, then 1 double crochet into this same chain where you made this first one. Skip 4 chains into this next one, 1 double crochet, chain 5, and then 1 double crochet all into that chain together. Skip 4 chains into this next one, double crochet, chain 5, then 1 double crochet into this same chain with that first double crochet you had made. Skip 4 chains into this next one, double crochet, chain 5, double crochet all into that same chain together. When you reach the end of your row, you're going to have 3 chains left. Skip 2 chains into this last chain, make 1 double crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. These 3 chains count as a double crochet stitch, so you'll be skipping the first stitch. Into this next stitch, you're going to make a double crochet. Now we're going to get into our sequence for this row. Into this next chain space, make 3 single crochet. Then into each of these next 2 stitches, make a double crochet into each. And that is going to be our sequence. You're going to start repeating from these 3 single crochet in this chain space, and then you're going to make a double crochet into each of these next stitches between the chain spaces. So into this next chain space, make 3 single crochet. Into each of these next 2 stitches, make a double crochet. Into this next chain space, make 3 single crochet. Into each of these next 2 stitches, make a double crochet. In this next chain space, 3 single crochet. Into each of these next 2 stitches, make a double crochet into each of them. Into this next chain space, make 3 single crochet. Then when you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 1 stitch and some chains left. You can count these chains as a double crochet stitch, so technically you're going to have 2 stitches. Work 1 double crochet into this first stitch. Then work 1 double crochet into the top of these chains at the end of this row to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 3 chains. These 3 chains will count as a double crochet stitch. So row 3 is going to be similar to row 1, where we made these double crochet, chain 5 double crochet stitches. So we're immediately going to start our sequence of making those in this row. You're going to skip to the middle single crochet of the next set of 3. So these are double crochets, you're going to skip over. These 3 are single crochets into this middle one. You're going to make that same thing, double crochet, chain 5, and then double crochet all into that same stitch together. So that's how that is looking. And that is going to be our sequence. So you're going to skip to the next middle single crochet of the next set of 3, which is this one right here, and make that double crochet, chain 5, and double crochet all into that same stitch together. Skip to that next middle single crochet, make that double crochet, chain 5, and then 1 double crochet all into that same stitch together. You can see how those are looking. So you're going to skip to the next middle single crochet in the next set of 3, double crochet, chain 5, and then 1 double crochet all into that same stitch together. Skip to the next middle single crochet of the next 3, double crochet, chain 5, and then 1 double crochet all into that same stitch together. Once you reach the end of your row, you're going to have 2 double crochet left. It's going to be technically a double crochet and some chains, but these chains counted as a double crochet. So you're going to skip all the way over to these chains. Into the top of those chains, you're going to make a double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the eyelet mesh stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.